Are you hiding your smile? Covering your mouth when you laugh? Missing out on life's most precious moments because of dental insecurity? Dr. Jennifer Cha's revolutionary full-mouth dental implants are not just changing smiles in Pasadena, they're transforming lives. What if you could wake up tomorrow with a smile so breathtaking, so perfectly yours, that you actually forget their implants? This isn't fantasy. It's the reality Dr. Cha creates every single day. While other dentists merely replace teeth, Dr. Cha orchestrates complete confidence revivals. Her signature technique doesn't just rebuild your smile, it reignites your entire sense of self. Imagine seeing a reflection that makes your heart race with excitement. Imagine savoring every bite of your favorite foods again. Contact Dr. Jennifer Cha's Pasadena office today and take the first step toward the smile and the life you've always deserved but never thought possible.